What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? Back with another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Here we go. We got the E38. Do a quick little walk around. Cleaned it up a little bit. Just a tad bit. Got the Impar staggered. So check this out. With this update, I'll be showing you all the new sound system that I have. Back seat, boom. Let's open up the front. Go. I finally got the upgrade. I finally got it installed. Let's go ahead and crank it up for you all. Quick view of the interior. So this radio I got for about $200 on Amazon, and it seemed to be working pretty good so far. Make sure this volume is down. Yep. Let's see. Go ahead and crank this thing up. Now, before I do that, let me go ahead and pop the trunk. Let's pop the trunk. Finally got these installed. I need to vacuum this part. 212s. Got to get this thing put back on there. It's kind of crazy, but I do need to get new tail lights. What's happening is water is seeping through. As you can see, it's kind of flimsy. These things are old anyway. So that's one of my next upgrades. Yeah, let's go ahead and crank this up and show you all what it sounds like. Now this is all original music, so I won't get flagged.
I'll be around like a spiral, drowning in her brown skin, thirsting for survival. I am the new version of the old me. It ain't my fault, she took control of me. 100,000 miles in a day.
So it's beating decently. You know, it's not cranked up all the way. You know, just enough for me.
Everything's a message, you know I flow with it. Brown sugar, baby, how come you taste so good? Brown sugar, baby, I wanna ride your train. And if you want it, I can take you away. Baby, you that brown sugar, sweet with a little fire. Got that slow burn love, take a taste, I get higher. You flavor my morning, the groove in my night. Make a grown man sing blues when you hold me tight.
like I said, I'm an old man now, so it's just enough for me. I don't have the amp cranked all the way up. It's like basically like at a quarter. You know, it's something light. I'm not trying to win any kind of audio contest or anything. Like I said, this car is just a nice little cruiser. You know, I can take it to little, you know, car meets and things like that. It's not a show car. Nice little cruiser. There are some things I need to address. I gotta, you know, see what this all. Let's get a look at this right here. It looks like the previous owner just tried to just, you know, screw that in. But for the most part, I'm happy. I'm happy with this build. I mean, it was a slight build. I think I might have. Okay, so I purchased the car for about $1,500, right? That was my price. I might have put in about, with the new wheels, that's $1,500. I probably have about $4,000 or $5,000 into this car. You know, like I said, nice car, nice cruiser. I did have to do the timing chain guides on this, so that was an expensive part of it, but you know, I got a great deal. Yeah, I need to see what this service engine soon is talking about. It might just be I don't know. Shoot. I got the oil change done recently, so I'm curious to see what kind of codes I'm gonna get. But yeah, everything works. Power windows, power locks, sunroof, headline is in good condition. Just have to get my visor. But yeah, I'm definitely happy with this build. Like, so I'm gonna be driving this car pretty often, you know, during the winter and the spring. I do have another E38 that gotta get that one back on the road. Also, I have a 328i convertible coupe that's almost ready to come home. I gotta address some things when I get it back. Some, you know, cosmetic stuff. But for the most part, this car, I mean, I love it. I love it. Got to get these trim pieces back on there, you know, and address this right here. But I mean, for the most part, like, I got the wheels, I got the brakes I wanted, you know, tires look good. I do need to see about this. Now, there was a guy on Facebook Marketplace. He did have a door for $100, but the problem is the door looked kind of crappy on the inside as far as the panels. I know I can switch out those things, but it just looked like it didn't look as good as this door. But of course, it didn't have that nasty little scratch. But for the most part, I'm happy. You know, slotted rotors, drilled and slotted all the way around. You know, new tires, line hearts. I didn't spend too much on these tires, but they're good. You know, this car does well. It doesn't give me any issues as far as the suspension goes, because I did do a slight suspension refresh on it. But yeah, for the most part, I'm definitely happy with it. You know, so yeah. Again, I'll get the tail lights done. Oh, and the headlights. For some odd reason, I think the pigtails have been bad. So I have to see what that's all about, because what happens is the lights that I get installed, they don't stay on. So the guy down at Mavis told me that it's something to do with the pigtails, so I get that addressed. But yeah, for the most part, I mean, I might do some paint touch-up year or two. I mean, it's like I said, it's good for right now. You don't see a lot of decent looking E38s on the streets anymore because they're so expensive to maintain. So expensive. And I have two of them, so I definitely know. But I mean, it's hard to find ones that have interior that looks decent. All right, it's hard to find that. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. I gotta clean this But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Upgrades, maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. But like I said, for right now, it's good to go. And I know it's windy. You guys are hearing all that wind. But bear with me. Yeah, I like it. Like I said, one of the cleaner E38s in Huntsville, North Alabama. Even with its flaws. You know. There you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic Cars. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out. Yeah.